Alright, YouTube, I come to you in a time of great need. I'm thinking of naming this potato plant here, the one on the right, not this sad piece of shit. The tall one. I'm thinking of like not Paul, I already have a Paul. I'm thinking Mr. Tomato, just for the irony. Yeah, look who decided to turn up this rainy Wednesday. Look at this guy. Hey, look at the camera, buddy. Hey, look at the camera. Come on, buddy. You gotta look at the camera. Content. Come on, look at the camera. Content. Come on. Or perhaps glassware. Yeah, just suggest a name in chat if you want. I don't know. Yeah, or in the comment section. I'm an idiot. I'm tired. I'm upside down right now. It's like a Time magazine over there or something. I don't know. Maybe a messy floor. Nice rug though. Man, I'm so bored. Anyway, it's a rainy Wednesday. No, it's not a... Yeah, it is... It's a Wednesday. I'm sorry. It's a rainy Wednesday morning, and I do not give a shit. This segment is called Uncanny Swaying. I wonder, can I put this phone up here? It looks kind of like shit. Still works, I guess. It's raining. I have a granola bar. I said it's raining. I have a granola bar. Real rainy. It's supposed to snow on Friday. That's pretty cool. I'm on a chair right now. Look. Is it a bench? It is, in fact, neither of those. It's like a chair, but you can also use it as a bench. It's kind of cool. You can, in fact, do a lot of things that involve chairs or benches. Remember, hydration is the best inflation. It's a rainy Wednesday. And I have nothing to do for 2 hours. Hey, this is a cool trick. Check this out. Now I can see you, but you can't see me. What? That's insane. I know, right? Whoa.